Hello, it is me, and today I am so excited to be unboxing the Forests of Middle-earth Autumn Tea Crate from Booksnleaf. My little hobbity heart has been waiting for this box so long, and I'm so excited to see what April has put in this crate. So, with my trusty Sting letter opener, I'm going to see what is inside. And if you're interested in checking out Booksnleaf, I have a link down in the description down below so you can check them out. So let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So first thing on top, we have this beautiful green envelope with a gold leaf seal, and let's see if we can open it. Yes. So let's see what we have inside. So we have Forests of Middle-earth, and it is the spoiler card. We have April's wonderful business card that says Booksnleaf and all her information on the back. Ooh, it looks like we have a bookmark. Ooh, so we have a bookmark on this side, and on the back we have a Instagram challenge card, and this is very exciting, but I won't look because you never know. Spoilers. And then next we have a map of, it looks like the Forests of Middle-earth, which is really cool, and it has some information about the different forests, and that is very cool. I cannot wait to look at this later. So, first things I see in the box are a hand-knitted by Hobbits pair of socks. Very cool. And there's some stuff right there. Oh, these are so neat. Willow branches, cozy scarves and loafers, mint and chai latte, autumn leaves in splendid terracotta, and fresh tilled earth, mysterious folk, twilight, a chilly breeze through the forest trees. Deep roots are not reached by the forest. Ooh, so let's see what our socks look like. Ooh, I love this pine tree. Very cool. Very cozy. Cannot wait to try those on later. So let's see. Next we have, looks like, ooh. Next we have a keychain. Very cool. And it's this beautiful gold skeleton key with a little leaf. And the tag says #1 of Otherworld keys. So I think this is going to be a series, and I'm so excited to see what other keys will be coming up next. And this is just so pretty. I can't wait to put it on my bookshelf because I always need a key to another world. Next we have some black paper wormies. Ooh. Next thing I see, ooh, it is green, and it says Intish Draft, and this is a bath dust from Witch's Bath. I'm about to take a quick look at the spoiler card. Relax in this green layered cedar wood bath dust inspired by Intish brew. Ooh, very cool. Cannot wait to use that later. Next, ooh, there is a beautifully wrapped package, and it's almost too beautiful to open, but yeah, gotta see what's inside. Ooh, ooh, on the back it says sugar. So let's see what this looks like. This is beautiful paper. Ooh. So inside we have this beautiful little vial of sugar, and it looks like it's been flavored. And quick look at the spoiler card. Apothecary sugar vial. Sweeten your tea with some chamomile and cardamom, made by Retagast the Brown. Ooh. I think I have to take a little test. This is really good. Kind of has a bit of a chai taste to it from the cardamom. Next, we have our first tea. It is in a beautiful gold tea tin, and it is Lotr tea, and it is Malorian green. So let's see what this tea looks like. So here we have our tea. It is a lovely blend of green tea, lavender, rhubarb, marigold, and rose petals, and it smells really lovely. So the next tea that I see in our box is Old Forest Old Man Willow Mint Chai. Ooh, that sounds quite delicious. And here we have the back. So here we have our Old Man Willow Mint Chai. It is a black tea with peppermint, cardamom, anise, licorice root, cinnamon, and clove, and I definitely think this will go very well with the flavor infused sugar, and it has a really lovely chai scent to it. Next in the box we have Troll Shaw, and this is a Beach Peach Stone herbal tea. So let's see how this tea looks, shall we? So in this herbal tea we have peach pieces, hibiscus flowers, rose hips, candelia, rose petals, lemongrass, and this wonderful peach scent that's coming from this tea. I definitely think I will love this in the winter, and it will make me think of lovely warm summer's days. So the next tea we have in our box is the Fangorn Treebeard Reboost tea, and in this tea is Reboost Tulsi, carob, chamomile, and vanilla, and I cannot wait to see what this smells like because I love vanilla. So here we have our Fangorn tea, and I'm really excited about this one because since it is a reboost, it means that I can drink it anytime I like, day or night, and it definitely has a wonderful, rich smell to it. Well, we are now down to the last few items in our box. The next thing I see are some lovely disposable tea bags, which of course will be very useful. Next, we have these lovely stickers, and I love how the different tea bags match the different woods and teas that they represent. I think these are super cute, and I cannot wait to use them in my tea journal, and they will definitely be getting some fabulous use from these. And lastly, we have our last tea. This is our Mirkwood Pumpkin Caramel Black Tea, and it says Treacle Moss Tea. So I cannot wait to see how this tea looks. So last but not least, we have our Mirkwood Pumpkin Caramel Black Tea, and in this tea we have black tea, orange peel, salted caramel pieces, toffee pieces, anise, allspice seeds, and natural pumpkin flavoring. And me loving all things pumpkin, I definitely think this is going to be the one that I'm going to try. So here we have a cup of the Mirkwood tea. So let's see how this tastes, shall we? Ooh. This is so Hobbit Tea-ly perfect, especially for fall. Oh. I think what I'm definitely going to need to do is to put on my cozy socks, grab the Hobbit and my cup of tea, and just get nice and cozy with a really good book. Well, everybody, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out April's fabulous teas. They are absolutely splendid. I absolutely have loved everything in this crate. It is so perfect. And welcome if you are new, and go ahead and click that subscribe button right there. And if you're interested in watching another video, go ahead and click right here. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I will see you all later. Bye!